Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're at the homie Julian's house. We're trying to hit the compound. We got some just spares and everything for the car. But these lug studs that BMWs and German cars thought was a great idea to put on their cars suck. One is rounded off. So we got like an extractor there. Beat it on. Trying to get it off. And we have this big old breaker bar. And it's like bending the head on it. So that ain't working. We're going to get a socket on it, try and get that off. And I got a bag here full of brand new lug nuts, or lug studs. I got all of them. So we're going to replace all of them so we don't have this issue. So let's try and get these out and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so we're going to try it now. We got a 22 on there, a big old breaker bar. So I'm going to show you guys why German cars are garbage. Do wheel stuck conversions on your shit. Let's see. If we get this off. People, don't impact these down with air ratchets and shit. Holy shit. Why are you looking down there? Now the strain that I put on this thing. Oh, damn. No.
Oh my god.
Yo. It's not coming off. Alright, we're gonna try and get it off.
Just come off with it?
Yeah. We're gonna try and get it off and see what we can get going here. But this really sucks.
Oh my.
Round it off even more.
Holy crap. Bro, how? How?
I just wanted to be able to
This one just needs to come out, you know, one lug nut not being in the wheels.
I'm gonna order the wheel conversion studs. At least you got nice taillights.
Very true.
And AC. The only good things about the car right now. And a solid welded disc. Hit up Juju Fab for all your welding needs, y'all.
Legit. Yo, check out this baller gas station setup Julian has. It's a 14-gallon tank, right? And it has a handle, like a hand pump, there, like a handle pump, like at a gas station. Then he had like this little Schrader valve in this here that he put. He pressurized the system. Because it's siphon fed,
yeah.
I add pressure.
And then it just literally pushes gas into the car to fill up his gas. That's dope.
And then all you need to know is just drift.
You heard? Exclusively at Juju Fab. You guys want to see some ice? Oh, that's all you guys get. That's all you get. Yeah. So we're dealing with that. It's just raining out. We're letting the drill cool down a little bit. Then we'll finish that, get those off. We'll throw the 16s on. And then we'll shoot out to the compound and try and shred some tires today. You know, see what we can get going out there. It's raining, which is pretty good because the car makes like no power, so it'll be fun. But there's no handbrake, and it's hard to left foot brake that car because it's an ABS car and I just want to lock up wheels. But let's see what we can get done. Alright, so we got the wheel off finally after forever doing it. You can see the sun gun in there. So I'm just going to try real quick to see if I can get this out. If not, I'll leave it in there because 4 is better than none. And at least I can get the wheel off the car. And then we'll address this later because we will be doing the conversion on these to get rid of these crappy things. And I got brand new ones, so we'll be good.
That was smooth though. That felt good. Ooh, I got it into reverse that time. Would you look at that? Round 2. Let's get one good transition. That's definitely the spring, I think. Like that?
Yeah.
You ain't going into there with no e-brake. Not like that. That was smooth. And it's a good car because you have the weight of the car to feel.
This is the future.
Oh, I felt it again. Did you feel as soon as it was gonna start it? That's a little bit of angle will help with that. Because you don't need to go too much more sideways than that. That already is just such a good drift right there. Alright, let's pull it in. Let's get one last transition. We got this. This thing's good though. I know it's a rough ride. Oh, it is, it is. It's a rough ride, but it's good.
This is the future. Human error. Evolution. This is the future.
That was a flame. It just gets it. Yo, all right, guys. Now that that's over, as you guys saw in the video, we took the E36 to the compound and tried to slide it. This car has no front grip at all, so we got to address some suspension stuff in the front, and the back tires kept going flat. We lost the front bumper, which is actually in the car right now. Right there. Tires are bald, and I think we might have broke the axle or something in it. When your driver's making a really bad clunking sound. So in the next video we'll address that. Smash the like button for me, guys. We're making moves on the E36 drift car. You saw an inside footage only because it was raining. Sorry about that. I would have loved to get outside clips of the car, but it was raining. Didn't want to get my camera wet.
and we got an inside clip of Julian's car, and just did what we had to do. Like I said, next video we'll address stuff on this. We're gonna just throw all this footage together like I always do. So like always, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.